In every corner of the world, there are places where children dream. Today, we're here to give those dreams a home. A space where stories can come alive and curiosity can grow.
A book can change your life.
Books gave me the courage to explore.
Reading sparked my imagination.
Books made me who I am.
Stories gave me a sense of adventure.
Reading taught me empathy.
Reading was my path to confidence.
A library felt like magic to me.
Books gave me hope as a kid.
Books made me curious about the world.
I found my voice through reading.
Without reading, you will miss a lot of the beauty of the past, but also for the future.
Our deepest gratitude to everyone who made this possible. Today, we haven't just built a library, we've created a legacy of learning.
I think we had such a great team with us today. It was a 2-day effort that was very much worth it. And we are very proud to have done this.